What's good, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about a no credit check option for a $10,000 credit card coming up in just a second. If you don't know me, I'm Will Frazier, your credit expert, bringing you the tips you need to get your credit back on track, because what goes down must come up. And if you don't want your credit score to drop 300 points, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I drop just like this. And as mentioned, today we're going to be talking about another credit card option. It has no credit check at all. You can see here there's no APR, no fees. So this is a really good option, especially with the maximum credit limit being $10,000. So this is going to be for those of you that are struggling to build credit, or those of you that just have less than perfect credit or no credit and want to try to start establishing some credit. And, just also having a credit card that you can use for certain purchases. Now, the name of this company is going to be BlackSteel. I don't know if you've heard of them before or not, but this is going to be another fintech company, one of the newer ones on the block. And they basically offer a steel card. Of course, you can kind of tell that from the name BlackSteel. So BlackSteel basically has an option, that is very appealing. They are all about cash flow, not credit. As you can see with most fintech companies, they're going to be looking at your bank account to see how much money you have coming in, how much you have going out, do you overdraft, all those things to see how you manage your money. And they're going to determine what limit they're going to give you, or if they're going to approve you based on how you manage your money, and not really based off your credit score, which is why they don't need to do a credit check. So yeah, that is their motto and how they decide on approving people and how much they're going to approve you for. But you can see it's usually a lot easier and more convenient for people to get approved and get started with an option like this. Simply connect your bank account and get approved with an active credit card number. Best in class rewards, they say. They have 1% cash back on all purchases and up to 3% with select partners. No points BS. So they pretty straightforward with that, but the 3% is going to be tied to certain partners that they work with in order to get you those points where you might spend your money at. That's where you're going to get that 3% at. Make paying easy with auto pay. You can set up weekly, bi-weekly, monthly auto pay, so you never miss a payment. And they have 0% APR on the card, so they don't charge interest on any purchases or balances. The most important, money is the money that you keep, of course. Now, basically, that's going to be tied down to the fact that you will be paying off this card, the balance of this card, on these pay cycles that they have here, the weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. So whenever that auto pay comes out, you're going to be paying off your balance, which is, helping keep you out of debt, and also helping them to be able to offer you things like no APR. It's going to report to all three major credit bureaus. So yes, this is going to help you build credit with all three bureaus, which is always going to be the best option when you're trying to build credit, or anytime you get an account. It's best to have it on all three, just to make sure that you are maximizing all of your efforts to improve all three of your scores as much as you can whenever you can. And no fees ever. You get a premium credit card with no fees. We're here to help you grow your wealth, not take it. So you don't have to worry about the usual fees that will come on most credit cards. Now they say here 5 times higher limits versus other cards. We grow with you, all rewards, no fees, next gen smart card. So it's a mobile friendly smart card with next gen features built for life on the go. So it is mobile friendly. That is good. And you can see here some images of that. And basically you have 2 options as far as this card goes. You have your standard option, which is going to get you that 1% cash back on all purchases. And you also have the premium card, which is made out of 20-gram tungsten steel card. And you get more cash back and rewards with that. So now this is something that's going to be very important. How do you apply for this card? So basically right now they are having people to sign up for a waiting list. So they're in the waiting list phase, similar to the Tomo card and some other card options. So basically what you would do is you would put in your email address right here, hit get pre-approved, and they'll ask you a few preliminary questions. I think it's like 4, maybe 5 questions, and then they'll pre-approve you from there. But then basically you have to wait until they reach out to you again, letting you know, okay, you're good to go. And then you'll have to really attach your bank account at that time so that they can get a look at your cash flow and kind of see, what they want to do as far as approving you or denying you, or seeing how much they're going to approve you for. And that's really what you're going to be looking at in regards to that waiting process. So it's just really going to be a waiting process. All in all, based on the options that they do have, it is a really good option. 1% cash back on all purchases, even the option to get 3% cash back on certain places, the $10,000 credit limit, no credit check, no fees, no interest rate. All of those things are really good. So, it doesn't hurt to get on the waiting list and kind of see what's going to happen. But, just a matter of if you want to, wait to see what's going to happen at the time that it happens, and if that's going to help you with your situation, which could be urgent, where you need to build up credit now. But if this is something that you would just kind of like to have, why not go ahead and sign up for it now and just be in the waiting in the wings until it actually comes into fruition. So with all that being said, I also want to let you know that if you don't have perfect credit right now, you do need to work on your credit, which is why you might be looking for a no credit check option for a credit card. Just know that you can open up your options to get approved for more different types of credit cards that do require good credit by working on your credit. And right now I have something in place that can help you with that with my Cyber Monday sale. It's a really, really crazy deal that I'm giving on my best course, which teaches you everything you need to know about disputing the way that I would, building credit, and anything that you need to know about improving your credit, no matter what you have going on with your credit. So like I said, it's a crazy deal I have on it. Down in the description, go ahead and check that out if you need to work on your credit so that you can open up your options to more credit card and lending options if you need it. Now, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more information like this, and share this with anybody that you know may need the information. Also, I'm going to link to some other options, some other credit builder options if you need something more immediate than a wait list, and hopefully that will help you on your credit building journey. Anyway, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.